Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.41% since we first classified Intel as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.43% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current trend over the past 3 months indicates a possible decline of approximately 44.2% in the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from negative 61.93% to negative 40.42%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of around 39.4% over the next year, with potential returns falling between negative 55.28% and negative 13.52%. This corresponds to a price range of between $10.70 to $20.69 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline: Intel stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The Intel stock price rose by 1.61% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024. The price increased from $23.54 to $23.92. It has now experienced gains for 6 consecutive days. It is quite rare for a stock to gain for so many days in a row, so a pullback for a day or two should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.94%, with a low of $23.27 and a high of $24.42. The price has risen in 9 out of the last 10 days and is up by 23.55% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 16 million shares, with a total of 92 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.20 billion. It is important to note that declining volume during price increases can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the price is 53.35%, or $27.36, below the 52-week high, and 65.48%, or $45.37, below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel Corporation is currently navigating a dynamic yet challenging market environment. Recently, the stock closed at $23.92, reflecting a modest increase of 1.61%. Investors are encouraged by Intel's long-term strategy, which emphasizes cost reductions, expanded manufacturing capacity, and strategic partnerships, including a notable agreement with Amazon Web Services for artificial intelligence chips. Despite disappointing results for the second quarter, market analysts believe that an aggressive transformation strategy could enhance shareholder value over time. Speculation surrounding Intel's potential breakup could also be significant, with suggestions that its individual segments might hold greater value than the current market capitalization. Additionally, reports indicating Qualcomm's interest in a potential takeover introduce another layer of complexity, although such a move would likely face regulatory hurdles. Further improving the outlook, Micron's recent earnings report delivered positive guidance that benefits stakeholders across the semiconductor sector, including Intel. The current valuation of Intel appears appealing, particularly given its trading level at just 43% of its 52-week high. Some analysts are recommending that investors take advantage of this perceived undervaluation, viewing it as an excellent buying opportunity. In the short term, these developments may lead to heightened trading activity and increased investor interest, while in the long term, the successful execution of transformation strategies and potential strategic partnerships could significantly elevate Intel's stock price, possibly reaching targets between $25.50 and $29.70 by the end of 2024. Analyst ratings. On Monday, September 23, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Wolfe Research rated Intel as reduce, while also recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, September 17, 2024, Bank of America Securities issued an underperform rating for Intel, again suggesting a hold action. On that same date, Exane BNP Paribas also rated Intel as underperform with a hold recommendation. Furthermore, on September 17, 2024, KeyBank rated Intel as sector weight, advising a hold action as well. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Today's chart reveals mostly positive signals. The Intel stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the levels at $22.37 and $20.62. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, August 30, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 8.53%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. It is noteworthy that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even with rising prices. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was identified 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal occurred 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 126 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 134 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.84 and $21.48. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may drop to the next support level. In this instance, Intel's support stands at $21.84. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.48 and $21.47. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies it as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.15 between its high and low, or 4.94%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.33%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. An extremely high P/E ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are projecting a loss of 3 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $29.05. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $21.84. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Scott Gowell, who bought and sold 9,888 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 1.672. Overall, insiders purchased 450,195 shares and sold 428,883 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $23.25, reflecting a decline of 2.8%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over a 14-day period, stands at 85, further amplifying this risk. Recently, there has been a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 35 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Even though the stock is currently in a declining trend, we believe that the present price level offers a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for the stock since our last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of September, we anticipate that Intel will open slightly lower by 5 cents and begin trading at $23.87. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.